In this terrific edition of The Practical Divorce Lawyer, I got my Led Zeppelin t-shirt on. Why? Because we're going to talk about music as it relates to divorce, family law, and heartbreak. Put your seatbelt on. Hey everybody, in case you're new here, I'm divorce and family law attorney Jonathan Noble, licensed in Pennsylvania and New Jersey. And in today's video, we're going to talk about the intersection between music and family law or divorce. It's unbelievable how many songs are out there. If you just pay attention to the lyrics, how applicable they are to divorce and family law. I got my Led Zeppelin shirt on today just for this video. So without further ado, the Beatles have a very popular album, Sgt. Pepper's Lonely Hearts Club Band. And one of the songs off of that album is She's Leaving Home. Look at the lyrics on that song. It's a song about a woman who was given everything, and she still wasn't what? She wasn't happy. She wasn't happy. Just a sampling from the song from She's Leaving Home or for Sgt. Pepper. Wednesday morning at 5 o'clock as the day begins, silently closing the bedroom door, leaving a note that she hoped would say more. She goes downstairs to the kitchen, clutching her handkerchief. So she's crying, but she's leaving. Quietly turning the back door key, stepping outside, she is free. She's free. She's not happy. But if you go into the lyrics as the song goes on, how? We gave her everything money could buy. Newsflash, Beatles. Money doesn't make people happy. After a certain amount, it doesn't matter. It just doesn't matter. So that's like one of the most obvious songs through the lens of a divorce lawyer that is applicable to everyday life. We never thought for ourselves. Like they're singing about focusing on trying to make someone else happy, which is, as you know, if you've watched my channel, it's impossible. It's impossible. Happiness comes from within, but I guess the Beatles didn't know that back when they wrote these lyrics. I want to talk about a couple other songs that really resonate, but there's hundreds of them, especially in country music, but just sticking to the rock genre right now. The Eagles wrote a song called Already Gone, and one of the most important lyrics in that song is, oftentimes we live our life in chains and we don't even know we have the key. Think about how brilliant that is. I guess Glenn Fry and Don Henley wrote that, but just amazing. And I'd play it, but I don't want to get a copyright strike, so I'm just going to say the words. A couple other songs that I love from one of my favorite movies, Top Gun. You've Lost That Lovin' Feeling. There's no welcome look in your eyes when I reach out for you. And girl, you're starting to criticize the little things I do. This is the Righteous Brothers, okay? I think that song was written in the 1950s sometime. And here we are in 2023. Rings true, all right? You just know when somebody's lost that loving feeling. Because baby, something beautiful's dying. Guess what, Righteous Brothers? It's already dead. Time to have the funeral and move on. If you're not getting that loving feeling, singing a song and getting down on your knees and saying, baby, baby, not going to work. Not going to work. Elvis, Heartbreak Hotel, where he sings, well, you will be lonely. You'll be so lonely you could die. Elvis, level up, baby. All right? You don't want to go to Heartbreak Hotel. There's one other song that I want to talk about. Two others, actually. One by 38 Special. A song called Hold On Loosely. where they sing, hold on loosely, but don't let go. If you cling too tightly, you're going to lose control. Think about that. It makes sense, right? How many people just cling too tightly? Relax. Let it be organic, okay? You're going to drive somebody out of your life if you hold on too tightly. And one of my faves, I just want to give an honorable mention. Carrie Underwood wrote a song called Before He Cheats, where she's singing about finding her boyfriend dancing with another woman. And I love country music lyrics because they're so applicable to divorce and family law relationships, almost all of them, or many of them. Somebody's getting cheated on. But anyway, she keys this guy's car. Listen to the song, Carrie Underwood, Before He Cheats. It's terrific. The lyrics are terrific. So what's the point of the video? For decades, songwriters and performers have been singing about relationships, and nothing ever changes. It's always the same sort of dynamic. You've lost that love and feeling. Don't hold on too tight. She's leaving home even though we've given her everything. So what's the point of the video? It's out of your control. Almost all the time, no matter what, it's out of your control. So what can you do about it? Focus on being the best version of yourself and continuing to level up. All these people that are crying in their beer, it's never going to end from now until the end of time. Control what you can control, all right? That's the way to do it. Share this with somebody who's downtrodden because they couldn't make somebody happy over a long period of time. You're beating the odds. Drop a comment. Let me know what your favorite song is, whether it's about love and loss or not. We'll have a nice discussion.